Shapes and colors. Today we are going to talk about shapes and colors. This is important because we use shapes and colors every day to describe the world around us. Shapes and colors are basic building blocks of art, design, and communication. A shape is a flat, two-dimensional figure with a clear outline. The number of sides tells us the name of a shape. Look at this circle. It has no sides and no corners. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. A square has 4 equal sides. A rectangle has 4 sides, but they are not all equal. A pentagon has 5 sides. A hexagon has 6 sides. An oval looks like a circle, but it is longer. The star has 5 points. The color wheel shows how colors relate to each other. There are 3 primary colors: red, blue, and yellow. You cannot make primary colors by mixing other colors. When you mix 2 primary colors, you get a secondary color. Red and yellow make orange. Blue and yellow make green. Red and blue make purple. Colors that sit across from each other on the color wheel are complementary colors. For example, red and green are complementary colors. Red, orange, and yellow are warm colors. Blue, green, and purple are cool colors. Warm colors feel like the sun. Cool colors feel like water. Now you know the basic shapes and the theory of colors in English. In our next class, we will practice describing objects using shapes and colors.